what to expect from therapy. What is therapy? Why would someone come in here? Generally, we are here for everybody. There's no problem too small, there's no problem too big. Not everyone needs therapy, but everyone can benefit from therapy. I like to think of therapy as a tool that is helpful for anyone. There's so many reasons people come in here. Some specific to this being an art college, some specific just to being a student, some specific just to being a human being and having a struggle.
Students often struggle with two questions. Am I good enough and do I belong? Especially if they are part of marginalized groups because of their sexual orientation, gender identity, cultural and racial backgrounds. In fact, many people struggle with their identity at one point or another in their life.
The information that you share with us is truly confidential. That means even if someone calls our office asking if you've come in here, or even the information that you share with your therapist or counselor is absolutely private and not shared without your consent.
It's really the clinician's role to meet students where they are, to have an understanding of what they bring in, and to try to pay attention to what their goals are for our meetings. I welcome any student, if there's even a question about whether or not they should make an appointment or would just like to.
My session with you will essentially be a conversation, probably lasting about 60 minutes, in which we'll go over the same issues and problems that brought you in to see us, and then we'll decide collaboratively as to whether or not you'll do a trial of medication, and I'll see you thereafter as long as you're in treatment with us.
We do a lot of workshops about managing anxiety, managing difficult relationships. We also work a lot with building up your support system while you're here at SVA so that you can become really successful students and hopefully really successful artists living in New York City.